So hello guys, my name is Harsh and today in this video I am going to tell you about how you can do self-clicking. Okay, so self-clicking means that you are clicking on ads by yourself. Okay, self means you are doing by yourself and earning means to earn money. Okay, so self-clicking requires two things. One, the best application, and second, the guidance. Okay, see, if you have a good application but don't have guidance, you won't earn anything from here. You will only end up with your account ban issue. Okay, so firstly you should understand that what is self-clicking and how it is done. Okay, I have already made several videos that what is eCPM, what is fill rate, and what is CTR, and what is revenue, and many more things. Okay, so firstly you should have knowledge of basic terms. I have seen many people who don't want to get knowledge, who don't want to learn the basic terms, basic policies, but they want to click on ads, and this will lead to account ban issue. Okay, so if you want that you have to do a good earning, you can contact us on description box. I've given number. You can contact there on WhatsApp and take application from us and full guidance. Okay, so the main thing is that how you are guided. If you are guided well, then you can earn money from here. And there is also a risk reward ratio. Okay, risk reward ratio, it means that what is the risk here. See, many people don't tell that here is also some risk of getting account ban. Okay, account ban, it means that your Unity ads account or any ad network where you are doing self-clicking. Okay, so it may be blocked if you don't follow the tips and tricks, if you don't follow the rules. Okay, so the main thing is that you follow the rules which are given by us. If you want that, you can contact us. And you will see one thing, that everyone is selling nowadays this application like Unity Ads application or another application. They are also selling duplicate application or the fake application of Super CPC Pro. Okay, you know that Super CPC Pro is one of the highest earning application. Okay, and if you want the real Super CPC Pro application which is developed by us, so you can contact us on description box. I have number given. You can contact there on WhatsApp and you can take the application and you can start your earning. Okay, this is for Unity ads. And if you want for app login, if you want for app next, if you want for another ad network, it would be given easily and very cheap price. There is no very high price because many developers are charging very high for such application. Okay, so the main thing is that you will get a good guidance. You will also get good application, premium VPN, video tutorial, tips and tricks, and many more things. I am making this video in English language because the thing is that people outside from India doesn't know how to do self-clicking and they are misguided by other people. Okay, and the main thing is also here that they doesn't understand Hindi language, so I am making this video in English so that it can help that people. So at last I would like to tell you that if you want application, if you want any application regarding audience network, see, audience network are those applications which are published on Play Store, but self-clicking application are those applications which are not published on Play Store. They are only used in one or two mobiles and you can earn good amount of earning. Okay, if you contact genuine person, and in this case we are the genuine person because see, I am not telling in this simple way. You can also check our payment proof, earning proof. Okay, in past we have given many. Okay, $1,900, $200, $100, app loving, Unity ads, Fungal ads, startup, app next, and many more. Okay, so be the master of the self-clicking and you will also get the knowledge of how you can do self-clicking and also very important things. Okay, so for that you can contact us on WhatsApp. We have given the number in the description box. You can contact there and you can take the application and start earning. Thank you.